What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. Hope everybody's having a swell day. It is April 2nd, 2023. Sorry, I thought I had to cough. False alarm again. Anyway, it looks like Nvidia calling, the pot calling the kettle black situation. They're urging their customers to stop GPU mining and stop buying GPUs for mining. Let's jump over to the article and see the hypocrisy. It's like, stop doing this thing that we profited off of for so much time. Nvidia wishes people would stop using its GPUs to mine worthless crypto. They bought a lot of stuff and then eventually it collapsed because it doesn't bring anything useful for society. Goodness. Nvidia, the video card giant, blah, 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 it's calling for its customers to stop crypto mining and do something more worthwhile with its time. The company's technology officer, Michael Kagan, recently told The Guardian that he wished buyers would turn their attention to artificial intelligence instead. So they have all these GPUs. How do we monetize turning them to artificial intelligence? Because I will mine some Chat GPT coin if they got it, or run algorithms on that. So, quote, all this crypto stuff, it needed parallel processing, and Nvidia is the best. So people just programmed it for this purpose. He told the newspaper. They bought a lot of stuff, and then eventually it collapsed because it doesn't bring anything useful for society, but AI does. I never believed that crypto is something that will do something good for humanity, he added. You know, people do crazy things, but they buy your stuff and then sell them. You sell them stuff, but you don't redirect the company to support whatever it is. This guy sounds solid as a rock. I mean, people were mining because it made money, not because it helped society. It helps society put money in their pockets. People gotta. I think a lot of these like super wealthy people have to realize nobody really cares about society, and I hate to put it like that because I mean, like, yeah, I try to do good things. Everybody tries to do good things, but when it comes down to like making money with GPUs and mining, I wasn't like, oh my god, I'm gonna buy this graphics card and it's gonna save the sea turtles. No. Unfortunately, I like the sea turtles, but I bought the graphics card to make money mining crypto. Anyway, let's continue on. Kagan's comments aren't exactly surprising. The fact that the company still actively sells GPUs advertised as crypto mining cards, notwithstanding, of course, the crypto industry has been put through the ringer since 2022, with the value of mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin losing over half their value. Yeah, that's what I was talking about, like pot calling the kettle black. They're telling their people not to, their customers not to use these for mining, but then they're straight up selling mining cards, like made for crypto mining specifically. Anyway, meanwhile, crypto miners have had to change tack, suddenly faced with an extremely expensive pile of largely worthless mining hardware. Major crypto lenders are selling off millions of dollars worth of mining rigs as they look for the next big thing. Nvidia sees a new opportunity on the horizon with AI, a technology that has caught on like wildfire with investors. With ChatGPT, everybody can now create its own machine, his own program. You just tell it what to do, and it will, Kagan told The Guardian. And if it doesn't work the way you want it to, you tell it, I want something different. I mean, I guess that's great and all, but how does that leverage... Oh my gosh, my cat's messing with my microphone. How does that leverage your GPU's power to make you any money? I mean, maybe there's ways, I just don't... It's not clearly obvious at the moment. Earlier this month, Microsoft announced that they had bought tens of thousands of the A100 GPUs. These are chips designed from the ground up with AI processing in mind. Amazon and Oracle have also bought similar offerings from Nvidia. Well, of course, Nvidia is like, hey, like people are buying all this stuff for AI. That's what they're all about right now. Assuming that crypto's moderate rally over the past month doesn't continue, breathing new life into the mining industry. I guess that's where the article ends. Yeah, this article is it's a little. Oh, Victor Tengerman, thank you, appreciate that. It's a little kind of a little choppy. Maybe that was my reading of it too. I can read at like a 4th grade level. Um, in my opinion, Nvidia just doesn't need to make any more statements about what customers should do with their products. I mean, within reason, of course. You know, don't like go and whack people upside the head with your graphics cards. But if they're using their graphics cards and it's in a computer, then just leave them be and let them do what they want. So before we get off here, though, let's take a look at the coin market caps. Bitcoin is at $27,730, down 2.4% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, $1,775. Dogecoin, 7.7 cents, down 7%. A lot of sevens there. Litecoin, $91.50, down 1.3%. Shiba Inu token, $10 per million token, down 5% in the last 24 hours. Monero, $157.78. Ethereum Classic, $20.11. And Bitcoin Cash, $122.04. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are cooking with fire. So, by the way, none of this is financial advice. I got to say that. So, like, the YouTube space doesn't implode on me. But yeah, hopefully you guys understand. I'm just a guy in a plastic bubble. But not for long, because I'm going to be moving into my new place soon. Going to be showing you guys all that. I have a backlog of videos. I was just holding those for personal reasons because I didn't want those out there yet. But they will eventually be out there. So enjoy that when it comes. Other than that, sayonara. I hope y'all have a good one. Either have a good morning or have a good night. If you're on your way to work, sorry, but get it done. Knock it out. And then go home and crack a cold one. Whether it be any kind of cold one you want. Unless you like hot tea, then crack a hot one. Crack a hot tea, you know? Yeah, and if you're going to bed, sayonara. Peace out. See you in the morning. Adios, guys.